this, that. Choose the correct word, this or that, and fill in the blanks to complete the sentences. This is used to refer to a person or thing that is singular and close to the speaker. That is used to refer to a person or thing that is singular but far away from the speaker. The girl is holding her umbrella. She is talking about an umbrella in her hand. We will use this. This is my umbrella. The boy is showing us a car that is away from him. We will use that. That is a car. The boy is talking about a pineapple that is close to him. We will use this. This is a pineapple. That is a bird. The girl is pointing to the bird that is far from her on the tree. This is my kite. The girl is talking about the kite which is in her hand.